A few days ago, Anthropic released their new model, Opus 4.7. I decided to test it and see what it's capable of, but I don't want to run synthetic benchmarks or come up with abstract tasks. I'm more interested in seeing how the model performs in real-world conditions. So I decided to use it to build a desktop application for convenient interaction with local language models. It should be able to connect to services like Ollama, LM Studio, and similar tools, interact with them, and display various statistics about how these models perform. To build the application, I'll be using the Tori framework and Vue, so both Rust and JavaScript will be involved. As for why I chose these technologies, they're simply what I enjoy working with right now, and I find them very convenient. So, to make sure Opus clearly understands what I want, I created a detailed implementation plan. It consists of 8 stages and around 50 tasks in total. Each task description is structured with a defined goal, specific steps, and clear completion criteria. I think this will help the model stay on track. Alright, now I create an empty folder for my project and place this plan inside it. Then I launch Claude Code in that folder. After it starts, the first thing I do is switch the active model to Opus 4.7 and check the effort level, which now includes a new setting called XI. According to the Opus developers, it's ideal for handling complex tasks. And now I can finally ask Opus 4.7 to start building the application by implementing everything described in the plan. Okay, Claude Code has started analyzing the requirements and executing tasks, so all that's left for me to do is wait and watch the tokens in my account slowly disappear. I'm not going to show the full process of Opus working on the project, since it would take a long time and nothing particularly interesting happens during most of it. Let's jump straight to the result. Alright, Claude Code has finally finished. Now let's run it and see what we've got. Just to remind you, according to the plan at this point, we should have a fully functional desktop application where you can interact with local models running via Ollama or LM Studio. At first it won't be anything too fancy, but over time I'll keep adding the features I need, and after a few iterations I'll be able to use it for testing and comparing local, and not only local, LLM models. So the application compiled and launched without any errors, which is already a good sign. And considering the scope of the work, that's actually pretty impressive. Remember, before running Claude Code, all I had was an empty folder with a list of tasks. It looks like both the chat itself and all the related UI elements are working. Let's also check the settings window. Right now, you can choose between Ollama and LM Studio. Nice! Everything is implemented exactly the way I wanted. So, based on the results of this experiment, I can say things definitely didn't get worse. From my perspective, the new Opus 4.7 model really does seem better. But of course, that's just my subjective opinion for now. As I mentioned earlier, I don't want to run detailed benchmarks at this point due to time constraints. My main goal today was simply to check whether everything is working fine with the new model and whether it's safe to use. And now I can confidently switch to using Opus 4.7 in my day-to-day work. And what do you think about this model? Have you had a chance to try it yet? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd be interested to discuss it with you. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon. Take care.